We start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, page 93, tools without flaw. Okay, go ahead, Moshe, please.
Through Shmiras Haloshon, a Jew perfects the primary tool of his service of Hashem, his power of speech. By not using his tongue for forbidden talk, he ensures that his words of Torah study and prayer will ascend before Hashem and achieve their desired results. The sages refer to speech as the Jew's emunah craft. When a king wants an item made for his personal use, he will choose only the finest craftsman to accomplish this task. He will seek someone who can create products of rare beauty fit to be placed upon the royal table. Yet even the world's greatest craftsman will not be able to satisfy the king if he lacks the necessary tools. If he is forced to use tools that are damaged and of poor quality, the finished product will quite likely be rejected by a commander and surely by a king. If, however, the master craftsman is provided with the very best tools, then the final product will be a thing of beauty and bring the king much satisfaction. There is no greater satisfaction to the King of Kings, as it were, than when his craftsmen, the children of Israel, go about their divine service with tools that are free of spiritual imperfection. And it is only through Shmiras Haloshon this can be achieved.
Any comments? Anybody? Go ahead.